Yes, I'm taking y'all on a walk today. Walking up my road. The tree cutters just left. And they cut a bunch of trees down. Mostly pines. But we're, well, I'm not talking much because I can't breathe well because I'm going uphill. But I'm making it. I will make it. I have to go up to the top of the hill and get the pickup. Oh, this road is like one way in, one way out, so everybody couldn't fit a while ago. Oh, I'm out of breath. People, I wish I was in better shape, but you know, I hate exercising. That's the problem. This is enough for today, I believe. I might have to crawl to the truck before it's over with. I'm making it. I see the truck in sight at least. It's coming. Okay, guys, I'm at the road. So it's gonna get real noisy. Anyway. Alright. Talk later.